The Italian chicken cutlets are the OG quick and easy dinner that everyone needs to know how to make, and I'm teaching you how right now. Of course, we need chicken cutlets. You can buy chicken cutlets, but I find it's easier and a little bit of a better value just to buy boneless, skinless chicken breast and cut them in half yourself. I'm gonna pound these nice and thin, even though the recipe doesn't say to, because that's what you're supposed to do. Pounding out the chicken evens it out so it cooks evenly, and you also have a larger surface to get extra crispy, so more crispy bites is a good thing. I like a little extra layer of seasoning, so I'm gonna season the chicken. Just a little salt and pepper is all you need. These are so thin, just seasoning one side is good enough. Once your chicken's seasoned, we're just gonna do a simple breading with 3 shallow bowls. In the first one, just plain flour. In the second one, a couple eggs, season it up with some salt and pepper, and give it a whisk. And in the third dish, Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. These have all the flavor you need. Start by dredging the cutlets in the flour. Shake off any excess. You want just a very light coating here, just something for the egg to stick to. Then into the egg, let any excess drip off, and then coat it well with those breadcrumbs. And then I'll just hold them on a wire rack. This way they don't get soggy on the bottom. You can also do this with pork cutlets. You can take a pork loin and slice it really thin, pound it out. This is just a recipe that you need to know how to make. This will absolutely 100% please everyone in the family. Trust me. So right now I've just got a little bit of neutral flavored oil. You can use olive oil. You can also just use canola or vegetable oil. Heat it up nice and hot, and then we're going 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You can let them drain again on a wire rack so they don't get soggy on the bottom, and while you work on the rest. I mean, seriously, look at the size of that. That is a half of a piece of chicken. Pounding it out makes a difference. I love pairing it with something soft like risotto or polenta because you've got the crunchy with something soft. Sprinkle it with a little fresh parsley, a squeeze of lemon. I'm already salivating. This is one of those dishes that when you make it, you're like, why don't I make this every day? It's easy enough, you can. You have pork Milanese, chicken Milanese. It's easy.